Hi everyone, Jane here from EE Group, back with another quick video. I've been getting a couple of questions about a bag of miscellaneous items you get in your T100 RC case. So today we'll go over what all those items are and what they do. Let's go. Okay, sweet. So we've got our RC case here and open it up. You've got your controller on the right and you've got some of your other items. But today we're just going to be focusing on this bag here. Okay, so going over the items, we've got a set of Allen keys, a wrench and a cable. So these guys are 4mm, 3 and 2.5 respectively. We also got a included wrench and a Type A to Type C cable. So moving on, so these parts here are some of the more common parts that you might misplace or need replacing more commonly. So thankfully DJI has given us some extras included in the RC case. So going on to the sealing rings first, the smaller one here. So this one will be used for your spray tank sealing, and on the larger one that will be more for your pump. We will also put up some examples on screen here so you can see exactly where these guys go. Moving on to the final couple of pieces. Before we talk about the screws, we've got the E-type clips here, and again we'll put on screen exactly what these guys do. Moving on to the screws, we got a packet of M60 and 2 packets of M30 respectively here. And again, on screen, you'll see exactly where they go. And these are more of the common screws that you might lose. So thankfully, DJI has given us a couple extra. Okay, and that was a quick overview of the miscellaneous parts that DJI also gives you in the RC case. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe. I've got more AGRAS content coming in the future. This has been Jane from EE Group. Thank you for watching.